Ever thought of creating a unique and eco-friendly Halloween decoration? Today, uncover the steps to craft a DIY upcycle faceless doll using old fabric scraps. This not only reduces waste but also adds a special touch to your Halloween decor. Begin by gathering the necessary materials. You'll need old fabric scraps, a sewing machine or needle and thread, stuffing, scissors, pipe cleaners, a hot glue gun, black and white felt, and googly eyes. Start by cutting out 2 circles of fabric for the doll's head and body. Then sew the 2 circles together using a sewing machine or by hand, leaving a small opening at the bottom. Afterward, turn the doll right side out and stuff it firmly. Sew the opening closed to secure the stuffing. Next, cut out 4 pipe cleaners for the doll's arms and legs. Use a hot glue gun to attach these to the doll's body. For the doll's face, cut out a small triangle of black felt for the nose and 2 small circles of white felt for the eyes. Glue these onto the doll's face and finally glue on the googly eyes. And there you have it. You've crafted a Halloween-inspired DIY upcycle faceless doll. This can be a fun and spooky addition to your Halloween decorations. Remember, the type of fabric you use is entirely up to you, though a sturdy fabric that won't tear easily is recommended. To give your doll a more finished look, consider sewing a small felt hat or scarf for it. Feel free to use other materials to decorate your doll, such as buttons, beads, or sequins. The sky's the limit with creativity. You can also add some Halloween-inspired touches to your doll. Try using different colored fabrics for a spooky patchwork effect, or add a layer of batting inside the doll for a plump look. Glow-in-the-dark felt for the eyes and nose can add a spooky nighttime glow. Perhaps you can hang the doll from a tree or doorway using a ribbon or string, or tuck a spooky message inside the doll for a fun surprise. The DIY Upcycle Faceless doll is sure to be a hit this Halloween season. It's a fun, sustainable, and unique way to celebrate. So, get creative, have fun, and most importantly, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crafty ideas.